Hello, this is Jason from Technology Services. In this video, we will highlight how to complete a session credit survey for a session that was held within the district. When you log into Falcon World and go into the Falcon Flex Kingdom, you'll notice at the very top you will see a session credit survey completion required written in red with a red flag on the day that your session is being held. Next to that, you'll see the name of your session. In my case, it's Student Agency, the Benefits of Student Engagement. If I click on this link, it will take me directly to the survey that I need to complete. If I was unable to attend the session, I simply click the link that says Didn't Attend, and this will cancel the notification and I won't see it any longer. When I go into the survey to receive credit for going to my session, I'm going to click on the link. Again, it's the name of the session that you attended. It will take me to a very quick survey. The first couple questions involves the session itself. Rank the overall session. Was it a very engaging session? Was it very informative? Was it what you needed? This helps us determine if we need to have more sessions like this in the future. Feel free to write as many comments that you'd like. Let us know what you like, what you want more of. We read these comments, and also the presenters get a chance to read these. They don't know who it's coming from. It's anonymous. And then the next couple, if you have one presenter or two presenters, this would be the ranking of the presenters. This gives them direct feedback to let them know if they're engaging the audience well or if they need to make tweaks to any of the content that they're delivering to you. And again, you can give these feedbacks. They receive this information. It's anonymous. They're not sure exactly who's giving them the feedback, but it helps them critique their presentations and improve them for future. Once you complete this survey, simply hit the submit button and you'll receive credit for your session. If you have any issues, please feel free to reach out to Technology Services. Thank you and have a great day.